Alright, here are all the parts now fully painted, completed, done. Hopefully it came out pretty good. I was a bit skeptical on certain things, but I'm okay with it because I am going to give it a little bit more weathering using some weathering products. Furthermore, I want to put it together, and then I want to use some decals, and I have these two decal sets which should work, kind of like this one here. That would probably go well with the shoulder areas. That one could be for the front part here, the back part here. Certain areas that will hide certain things. So I'm going to try that. This one you definitely need white decals. Or yellow. For something dark it's either white, maybe a little bit of a light gray to soak through. Red may be good if it's a strong red, you know. But it's clearly white. White or yellow. One of those two highlighted colors. But I'm going to put this together. Let's see, where do we begin? I think we better begin with the torso. And don't know if it'll come out right or wrong, but we'll figure it out together here. First this, and then this. The chest part. Oh, no. This. Go here. Yeah, because it's held up by there. There's nothing in the middle to hold it up. If you know what? I'm gonna. No, it's good. If it tightens up, that's fine. I was more worried about it coming out, but that's fine. All right, now we do this here. May have made a goof because there's a little bit of a white, but that's fine. I can actually take care of that in a moment. This goes here. Good. I had to reinforce the wings here because one bent and I had to take care of that. This one I didn't put nothing on, and I am going to glue that right now. Which this is kind of a little dry. There's a little bit of glue in there. I'm going to get it out. Because this is not going to come out at all. There we go. That's fine. Now, I do need this. I do need this. Do I need to put it through here? Or the other way around? This has to go through here. Good. Good. Oh yeah. Yeah. Thrusters I'll put on later. So that completes the torso. The headpiece, very simple, very easy. I put the clear. So what I did was using where is it? I had it here a minute ago. I put a lot of stuff away, but I think it's this one. This is a metallic silver, and I painted the inside here silver, so it does have a little bit of reflectiveness. Then we put that here, and this one there. Good. now the arms. This one goes right on top of that. Or not. This took me a while to get it out. Yeah, I'm afraid of this. Let me use this as a guide. So bend that right there. That's good. This is good for a guide. And there we go. There we go. Good, good, good. And then the beam held, beam saber out, go like that. Good. Followed by this part here. And then that will, I'm going to bend, push it in like that. Like so. Put that there like so. Put that there. The other one. There we go. Good, the arm is done. Let's do the other one. Let's do it again with this. I think I goofed up on this. Let me pull it out. There we go. Huh. Okay. A little bit of finagling, but that's fine. Okay. Ah. Got there. And then the hands. Oop. Beam saber. The pig hole for the beam saber is too small, and I have a feeling that if you keep on pulling it out to use it as a weaponry, it will definitely break. So you gotta be very careful with that. This one's done. Now, waist unit. This goes back here. This goes here. It's actually really simple. This one's going to constantly move, so I'm going to move that up. There we go. That's done. I'm going to do the feet first, because that's easy. No, that's easy right there. Okay, feet are done. Now the legs. This is the one where I had to do a lot of work here. Begin with the thigh. That. would go no, this one. Yeah, that goes there. That goes there. That goes here. Now the legs. Oh, we take this, connect that there, then slide that through there. And then we take this, slide this through here. And then put that in like that, like so. And then find the hole for this. Come on, get in there. Yep, it went in. Okay. Okay, that's pretty nice. Let me do the other one now. Oh, I forgot something on that. On actually both legs, but we'll cover it in a minute. And for the for the that as well. Just noticed it. This, that. I'm gonna do the opposite direction. See if that works. Yeah, that'd be a lot easier this way. All right. Take that. See the way around. Actually. Oh. Yeah. That. Put that in. Goes in there. Okay. These parts, which put in here for the, to simulate a skirt armor, putting right here. That goes there. I forgot about these two. That one goes there. And the other one goes here. There we go. I think we might as well put it together. So that one goes here, here, and here. That one goes here. That one goes there. And there. And then the head unit. Like that. And then the thrusters. There we go. I repainted the thrusters. I didn't like the blue on it, how it came out. And there you go. Fully painted Armored Core Zowart. Nice. That came out very nice. I wanted it dark, but I'm not done with this yet. Oh, no, 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 no. Let's put this on. So that goes there. then we have... Can I squeeze this in without? Yeah, I think I can. And it's strong enough to hold it up because of the painting. To a certain degree. Now, this requires a stand, unfortunately. Here we go. Now I just need to do this. I believe that's how I wrote it down before. Like that. Good, it's nice and tight with the extra paint added onto it. I don't have to worry about it. Get in there. And there you go. This I'm going to glue on in a moment, but not now. But there you go. There you go. If I believe the number is correct, 621, it's going to have some competition. And I'm sorry if I don't have the camera positioned in the correct place, but let me take care of that. Oh yeah, there we go. Actually not, okay. There we go. Nice. Very nice. Well, it was a wise idea to buy the Gaahleri airbrush. But yeah, came out pretty good. I kind of like it. But right now, with this done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to top coat it, give it a nice gloss coat. Then I'm going to try out these decals, and then I'm going to give it a little bit of weathering, something to highlight it a bit more. And pretty much that's it. I'll be done. I'll send this over to Gundam Planet, enter it in the contest, but I just realized it has been extended because of the announcements of the 30-minute mission kits coming out for Armored Core. Thanks Bandai, of course. But at least now I got this done and got it out of the way. I didn't want the year to end without me completing this kit because it looked really good already built. I just wanted to paint it, and it came out really nice. So there you have it. I will detail it up a bit more. This is not a completed... I mean, I'm done with the video build right now because I want to focus on something else. But once I get this done, I will share more photographs and video of this as well. So with that being said, I'd like to thank you guys all for sticking around, watching a continuation of the Zowart armor. It's actually the dual build of the Zowart and the Zowart Heavy, which I'm sorry I never got around to painting it, but I'll get to that another day. It's not important right now. But again, thank you for watching, and what can I say but stay tuned for more Gundam models yet to come. You guys all have a great day.